Good day everyone. For today's presentation, I will talk about data structures, file handling, and object-oriented programming and how they are used in real life. First, what is a data structure? A data structure is a way of organizing and storing data so that a computer can access and modify it efficiently. Now that we understand what a data structure is, let's talk about the different types of data structures. There are three main types of data structures: primitive, non-primitive, and hash-based. First are primitive data structures. These are the basic data types used to store simple values like numbers and characters. They include integers, floats, characters, and booleans, and they store only one value at a time. Non-primitive data structures are used to store multiple values or connected data. These are divided into linear and non-linear structures. An array is a fixed-size collection of elements of the same data type, stored in order. A stack follows the rule last in, first out, meaning the last element added is the first one removed. A queue follows first in, first out, meaning the first element added is the first one removed. A tree is a hierarchical structure that has a root node and a child node, similar to a family tree. A graph is made up of nodes connected by edges, and it is commonly used to represent networks. A hash table stores data in k-value pairs, allowing very fast data retrieval. What are the importance of data structure? Data structure are important because they make the program faster, keep data organized, and help solve complex problems efficiently. Give everyday real-life situations where data structures are used. Array stores students' grades. Stocks are used in undo buttons. Queues are used in lines at stores. Trees representing folder systems. Graphs show social networks. And hash tables work like dictionaries. What is file handling? File handling is the process of creating, reading, writing, and managing files in a program. What is the importance of file handling? File handling is important because it allows data to be stored permanently, shared between programs, and used even after the program ends. Give one example of a real-life analogy about file handling. File handling is like a notebook where you can write, read, and update notes. What is OOP? Object-oriented programming is a programming approach that uses objects to represent real-world entities. Why do we use OOP? We use OOP to make programs easier to understand, reusable, and easier to maintain. Give one example of a real-life situation about OOP. A car is an example of OOP because it has properties like color and brand, and actions like drive and stop.